Is your GPU RGB not syncing with MSI Mystic Light? You're not alone, and we're fixing it right now. First up, ensure your MSI Mystic Light software is fully updated. Open MSI Center, navigate to Features, select Mystic Light, and install any pending updates. A simple restart can often resolve these software glitches, getting your lights back in harmony. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system software, which brings us to method 2, a clean GPU driver reinstallation. Download display driver uninstaller, boot into safe mode, run DDU to completely remove old NVIDIA drivers, then restart and install the absolute latest GPU drivers. This clears corrupt files that cause sync conflicts. Still seeing issues? Method 3 tackles physical connections. Power down your PC, unplug everything, open the case, and firmly reset your GPU and all its power cables. Double check any dedicated RGB header cables to your motherboard. Loose connections are notorious for causing erratic lighting behavior. Finally, if hardware is solid, our fourth method involves resetting your Mystic Light profiles. Open the software, select your GPU and reset its profile. Create a fresh, new profile, apply default settings, then save. This clears any corrupted configuration data, preventing your GPU RGB from syncing correctly with MSI Mystic Light. Get those lights glowing perfectly!